Hey, hello, and welcome back to another video from La Cueva. Today we are going to talk about how to activate notification of social media on the smartwatch Y13. We have it right here with this nice background. If you don't know how to change these backgrounds, we already made a video about that. You can find it in the upper right corner. Many of you probably bought a smartwatch for this reason, to receive notification from social media and to read them directly on your wrist. So let us begin with the tutorial. Requirements before activation. First, we need to make sure that the smartwatch is synchronized with the phone. With that, you will be able to connect the watch and the phone, and then you can use this feature. Most devices must also be charged and connected by Bluetooth. Step by step to activate notifications. Go to the option hand right settings. Here you may see an advertisement. Skip it. Now go to message reminder. In this section you will see all the applications that are connected. In my case, I have them all activated, but sometimes they can be deactivated by default. If you don't receive any notification, it is probably because they are all off. What you need to do is activate the ones you want. Press confirm, and that is all. Now you will have the notifications active. Practical tips. Before we finish, here are some important tips. Make sure the watch is not in do not disturb mode. The watch must always be connected with Bluetooth. Some versions of Android blocks notifications when the phone is a battery saver mode. Please do not use that mode. Always use official applications. For example, if you use modified apps like WhatsApp Plus, you will not receive notifications. Always activate notifications with the official applications, and that is how you activate and use notifications on your smartwatch Y13. It is very simple, very easy, and you will have your notifications up to date on your wrist. That is for today's video. Please give us a like, leave a comment, and share this video. That will help me a lot to reach more people. Take care, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.